All right, guys, November the 17th on a Sunday. So we just left the job in Buckhead, which isn't far from here. That was the screen and recoat. So while the first coat is drying, preparing for the second coat, we're out here in Decatur, which is far away, about 20 minutes. This is Bill. He actually found me online as well. He has a grand piano coming, I think he said Tuesday or Wednesday, and I'm already booked out next week. But he wants the floors just clean and buff. All right, so that's all we're gonna do today. And again, I'm getting very good at having clients send pictures, even sometimes videos, and just price it from there. And then when I come out, we'll finalize. So anyway, we're gonna be doing a clean and buff on these wood floors. Let me show you what we got going. So we are actually in Decatur, downtown Decatur. I'm actually from Decatur, but I'm from the other side of Decatur. But this whole Decatur, city of Decatur is just changing. So let me show you guys what we're gonna be doing. So I'm about to set up a light neutral cleaner to treat the wood floors, and then we're gonna buff them out. So these are the floors, guys. I just gave Bill a flat rate of $1,000 to clean and buff them. So we're gonna be doing this area right here, this dining room. Bill, this is where your piano is going?
Yeah.
Yep, so his piano's going there. Then through here, not moving any furniture. We will slide small stuff. And then through here, there's our machine. So what I'm gonna do is start here first, and then we're gonna bring up the buffer, use a cotton pad to buff the floors out and actually get some more light in here. All right, guys, so this job will probably take us maybe hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we're gonna be heading back to, I'm about to say Buckhead here to put the second coat down on the floor. All right, guys. Guys, we got this side right here clean and buff, and you can actually see a difference because this side looks really cloudy. That means some type of residue is not wax. Bill, look at that side. See right there in that sun we have it done? Mm-hmm. Now look over here. See how much cleaner it looks now?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh great.
Yep. Now guys, I did point this out. I'm gonna zoom in. You see you see that? See right here? That is the finish lacking off, and I did point that out to Mr. Bill. The polyurethane is starting to wear, so he said he'll probably have us come back in the future and screen or recoat. But yeah, big difference, guys. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to shift all the furniture back over here, and then do that side, and then work ourselves downstairs. So we cleaned it first. First I sprayed it down with the solvent cleaner, kind of help break up the grease and the contaminants in the floor. Then I use Squeaky Clean, which is a neutral cleaner in the machine. Rinse it really good. Then we buffed it out with more Squeaky Clean to make sure we get the floors really nice and neutralized. Then follow up with a flat mop. Also did too, guys, I also turned Mr. Bill's air on while we're here because it was on heat, and the heat can sometimes keep it from drying properly. So just turn the air on, and then when we leave, we'll get it turning back to where it was. All right, guys, so we're going ahead and finish up, and we'll come back and show you. Even though sometimes your floors don't look dirty, they are dirty, and eventually they will need a professional cleaning. And Mr. Bill just told me he is going to have us come back and do a screen and recoat. So you just pour this in the toilet like it's just dirty water. Yep. And tell about looking at it. He said he does have a cleaning company. That's what I just saw from that water, the grayish. There's probably a lot of residue on the floor as well. And residue loves to hold on to dirt. All right, guys. Thank you. we are wrapping up. I'm gonna get my shoes off. Sometimes your shoes can collect a little residue. And now let's go see what Mr. Bill saw again. This is a clean and buff. What you think, Mr. Bill?
Looks great.
Thank you.
Really makes a difference. Cleaning it up like that.
Yes, sir. Sometimes, like I said, man, that's all floors most sometimes need, especially if they're in good condition. And guys, again, let me show you, for example. Let me zoom in again. So the poly is still good on that. I mean, it is taking some wear, but these bar stools have just basically rubbed most of the top wear layer off. But again, we're gonna come back in the future and get these floors recoated from Mr. Bill. But again, this is one of the biggest benefits about the clean and buff. You can immediately get back on the floors. You don't have to wait to put furniture back unless you're doing you're not doing the UV cure. All right, guys, well, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up here, and I'm gonna head back to the home that we're doing in Buckhead and get the second coat down there, and we will be done for the day, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. We have 2 tomorrow. All right, guys, see you in the next one.